Welcome back to Tool Mentorship, your ultimate destination for expert tool reviews and buying guides. If you're a professional contractor, a passionate DIYer, or a woodworking enthusiast, finding the perfect cordless miter saw can be a game changer for your projects. Cordless miter saws offer convenience, portability, and top-notch performance without the hassle of power cords. But with so many options in 2025, which one truly stands out? Today, we're reviewing the top 5 best cordless miter saws that deliver precision, power, and reliability. We'll break down their key features, advantages, and why they deserve a spot in your workshop. Stick around till the end because we'll also reveal the best budget-friendly and professional-grade picks. And don't forget, check the description box and first comment for exclusive deals and product links. Let's dive in. DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Miter Saw. The DEWALT 20V Max is a powerhouse in a compact frame, making it one of the most reliable cordless miter saws on the market. Designed with a 7¼ blade, this saw offers precise crosscuts and miter cuts with ease. The integrated XPS crosscut positioning system ensures increased accuracy without recalibration. With a powerful brushless motor, it delivers smooth performance while maximizing battery life. The lightweight design makes it easy to transport, perfect for job sites and home workshops. Whether you're cutting baseboards, trim, or framing lumber, the DEWALT 20V Max delivers consistent power and precision. If you want a high-quality cordless miter saw that balances performance and portability, this is a must-have. Makita XSL06PT 18V-X2 LXT Lithium-ion 36V Brushless Cordless Miter Saw Kit. Makita takes performance to the next level with the XSL06PT, a 36-volt cordless miter saw powered by dual 18-volt LXT batteries. This means you get corded performance with cordless freedom. Featuring a 10-inch dual sliding compound design, this saw offers a smooth and accurate cutting experience with its direct drive motor and automatic speed adjustment. The laser guide system enhances precision, while the dual bevel capability 0 to 48 DU4 left and right and a 60 DU4 miter range make it a versatile option for any woodworking project. The rail-forward design saves workspace, making it ideal for small shops. If you need a high-end, professional-grade cordless miter saw with unmatched battery efficiency, the Makita XSL06PT is a strong contender. Milwaukee 2734-20 M18 FUEL Cordless Miter Saw. The Milwaukee 2734-20 M18 FUEL is a serious contender in the cordless miter saw market, boasting a 10-inch blade and power-state brushless motor. With M18 red lithium battery technology, this saw delivers extended runtime and reliable power. One of its standout features is the dual bevel functionality and cam-locking miter system, making adjustments quick and hassle-free. The shadow cutline LED light ensures precise cuts, even in low-light conditions. Weighing just 45 pounds, it's one of the lightest cordless 10-inch miter saws, making it highly portable. If you're looking for a professional-grade cordless saw that doesn't compromise on power or accuracy, the Milwaukee M18 FUEL is a solid choice. SKILSAW SPT70V-01 15-amp 12-inch dual bevel sliding miter saw. For those who need maximum power and cutting capacity, the SKILSAW SPT70V-01 is a beast in the cordless miter saw category. Featuring a 12-inch dual bevel sliding design, this saw is equipped with a 15-amp motor that delivers exceptional cutting power. The worm drive gearing system ensures smoother and more controlled cuts, making it perfect for heavy-duty job site applications. With dual bevel and up to 60 DU4 miter range, this saw is ideal for precise trim work and large framing projects. Though it's heavier than other cordless options, its rugged durability and performance justify the extra weight. If you need a high-performance, professional-grade cordless miter saw, the SKILSAW SPT70V-01 should be on your radar. Metabo HPT C3610DRA 10-inch compound miter saw. Formerly known as Hitachi Power Tools, Metabo HPT continues to impress with the C3610DRA. This 10-inch compound miter saw features multi-volt technology, allowing it to run on either cordless battery power or AC adapter for added flexibility. With a powerful brushless motor, it provides fast and precise cuts with 0 RPM drop under load. The compact sliding rail system allows for space-saving operation, making it great for tight workshops. Additionally, the laser marker system and LED light guide enhance accuracy, making it ideal for fine woodworking projects. If you need a versatile hybrid-powered miter saw that adapts to different job sites, the Metabo HPT C3610DRA is an excellent investment. So which cordless miter saw is the right fit for you? If you need portability and efficiency, the DEWALT 20W Max is a solid choice. For professional-grade power, the Makita XSL06PT and Milwaukee M18 FUEL deliver unmatched precision and durability. If you're tackling heavy-duty jobs, the SKILSAW SPT70V-01 is built for maximum cutting power, and for versatility and hybrid operation, the Metabo HPT C3610DRA stands out. Before you go, make sure to check the description box and first comment for product links and the best deals available. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Tool Mentorship, and turn on notifications so you never miss an expert tool review. Let us know in the comments which cordless miter saw you're considering. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.